You did it. You got a hearing aid. You're on your way to better hearing at last. I know. I got mine last year, and boy, am I glad I did. But if you're like me, you might have been a little overwhelmed at the fitting. There was a lot of information to take in, a lot of new things to get used to. Don't worry, your hearing care provider and I are here to help.
Congratulations on your new hearing aid. As you continue along your journey, we're here to help every step of the way.
The first thing you need to know is you're not alone. In-office visits and calls to your hearing professional are all part of your service package. If your hearing aids need adjustments, and in the first few weeks they might, as you become acclimated to hearing better, or if you have any questions at all, just call. They're there to help.
The first week I got the hearing aids was a really big adjustment. There were lots of things that I heard that I had been missing.
And they take a bit of getting used to, but once I got used to them, I was really able to deal it like I was a pro.
The second thing to know is that hearing aids are more like cars than TVs. They need to have regular maintenance and occasional repairs to keep them at their best. Your warranty and protection plan cover unanticipated issues. But if you keep your hearing aids clean, dry, and well taken care of, and take them in for occasional tune-ups and professional cleaning, they should provide years and years of performance and comfort. Finally, the most important thing is be patient. When I first began using my hearing aids, my brain was startled by the sounds and signals I'd been missing. My own voice bothered me. Sounds felt tinny and mechanical, but the more I wore them, the better everything got.
Well, I've got to admit, those first few weeks were very rough. There's definitely a learning curve, but I'm glad I stayed with it.
Do what I did for those first few weeks, and you should be on your way to better hearing. Wear them at home in a quiet environment for the first few days. Listen carefully to the sounds of your home. Practice having a conversation with your spouse or a loved one. Read out loud for 10 to 15 minutes a day. Wear your hearing aids only a few hours each day for the first 2 weeks. Take breaks when you feel tired. And set realistic expectations. Hearing aids won't restore your hearing to normal, but they should make listening easier and much more enjoyable again. If you start slowly, keep expectations in check, and follow the plan set out by your hearing care provider, your hearing aid should become second nature in no time. And you should make fast and steady progress on your hearing journey, like I did.